TIAA is on a mission. Why? Because 54% of Black Americans don't have enough savings to retire. So in collaboration with big-name artists like Wyclef Jean, TIAA released Paper Right, new music inspiring a new financial future. With 100% of streaming sales going to a nonprofit that teaches students how to invest. Stream Paper Right now and help close the gap.
This episode is brought to you by JLL. Get an insider view into the world of commercial real estate with JLL's podcast, Trends and Insights, the Future of Commercial Real Estate. Whether you're curious about making cities more sustainable, the evolution of office space, or AI opportunities, this podcast will help keep you a step ahead. Tune in for candid conversations with business leaders about the biggest trends impacting how we live, work, and play. Subscribe to Trends and Insights now at jll.com/podcast.
This is a Rogue Media Network podcast.
Jennifer Love Hewitt's day in small claims court. Jennifer Love Hewitt, known for her acting career and her recent foray into being a local hero as the crime foe, found herself in an unexpected place, small claims court. The reason was mundane, a far cry from her glamorous life or nighttime heroics. She had hired a contractor to do some renovation work on her property, but the work was left incomplete, and the contractor had overcharged her, refusing to issue a refund. Determined to resolve the matter legally and fairly, Jennifer filed a claim in small claims court. She wanted to handle this issue as any ordinary citizen would, without resorting to her celebrity status for special treatment. On the day of the hearing, Jennifer arrived at the courthouse, dressed simply and accompanied by a friend for moral support. She had prepared her case thoroughly, armed with contracts, receipts, and before and after photos of the work. As she waited for her turn, Jennifer couldn't help but feel a bit nervous. She was accustomed to memorizing scripts and performing in front of cameras, but this was real life, and the outcome was uncertain. She observed other cases being heard, noting the straightforward yet formal nature of the proceedings. Finally, her case was called. Jennifer presented her evidence and calmly explained the situation to the judge. She detailed the agreed terms, the work that was supposed to be done, and how the contractor had failed to complete the job satisfactorily. The contractor, on his part, argued that the job was done to the best of his abilities, and that the charges were justified. He seemed a bit intimidated, perhaps recognizing Jennifer from television, but he maintained his stance. After hearing both sides, the judge took a moment to review the evidence. Jennifer waited anxiously. She had hoped it wouldn't come to this, but she believed in standing up for what was fair and right. The judge finally gave his decision, ruling in Jennifer's favor. He found that the contractor had indeed breached the contract and ordered him to refund the overcharged amount. Jennifer was relieved and grateful. The ruling wasn't just a win for her, but a testament to the fairness of the legal process. Leaving the courthouse, Jennifer felt a renewed respect for the judicial system. It was a stark contrast to her roles in film and television, where conflicts were often resolved in dramatic or unconventional ways. This experience had given her a glimpse into the challenges everyday people face and the importance of accessible legal recourse. As she drove home, Jennifer reflected on the day. It had been an unusual experience, but it was a reminder that no matter who you are, life can present you with the most unexpected situations, and sometimes you just have to trust in the system and stand up for what is right.
This has been a Rogue Media Network production.